Hi there, it's Vic. So I got these old books I bought on Amazon with Art Deco theme. And here I'm just trying to get some inspiration to make this border that I would like to have behind this lady. I actually didn't end up using the exact motifs on here, but it was just for inspirational purpose. Recently I made an Art Nouveau border like this, and I didn't find it difficult to draw the lines, the outlines, but this time it didn't really work. I don't know if it got too thin perhaps, but I made a lot of mistakes trying to outline this border here, but I think it ended up pretty well anyway, at least after I painted. So finishing the inking of this piece, then I'll be using my Faber-Castell coloring pencils to add some more shading to the dress. Also, some of the skin needs a bit more color to it, I think. Well, because I'm filming at the moment, then I'm not able to get close to see how I paint, and it makes it really difficult when the lines are this thin and I need to stay inside the lines. It somehow seems it's not really in focus. But anyway, I use the Faber-Castell polychromos for this. This specific color is called walnut brown, and it's very good for these really dark shades to make the golden dress pop a bit. I think I will finish this piece off camera, and then I'll use some white gouache to make the highlights and so on. I'll show you the result in the end of this video.